To connect your JennAir range, download and open the JennAir app on your Wi-Fi enabled mobile device. To add a new appliance, select the plus symbol at the top right of the My Appliance screen, then select the Appliance category. Locate the model and serial number placed discreetly inside the unit in the top right corner under the knobs. Select the corresponding model number from the list in the JennAir app. Locate the QR code behind the oven door on the lower right-hand side. If you're unable to connect using the QR code, click the Need Help button at the bottom of the screen. Then manually enter the SAID and MAC ID numbers found next to the QR code. In the JennAir app, select the Begin button to start connecting your JennAir range. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password. Following the in-app prompts, set the large knobs just right of center on your range to Wi-Fi. The knob's backlight will illuminate when set to Wi-Fi. Once the start button illuminates, press it to begin connecting. Your JennAir range is now connecting. The start button backlight will pulse as the unit connects. This may take a few minutes. Your range has successfully connected when the progress bar in the JennAir app is complete. In the JennAir app, name the appliance to distinguish the range from other appliances you have connected. Locate your range from the My Appliance screen in the JennAir app. And now you can harness the power of your connected appliances all from the JennAir app.